Paul George suspended 25 games for violating NBA anti-drug rules. Philadelphia 76ers star forward Paul George has been suspended for 25 NBA games after violating the league's anti-drug policy. The NBA announced on January 31st, 2026. The sanction takes effect immediately and represents a significant setback for both the veteran All-Star and his team's playoff aspirations. The suspension comes under the terms of the NBA/NBPA Anti-Drug Program, which governs prohibited substances and testing procedures in the league. Although the NBA has not publicly disclosed a specific substance involved, a 25-game penalty typically reflects a first violation under the agreement between the league and the players' union. Circumstances of the suspension. In a statement to ESPN, George acknowledged his role in the violation and took full responsibility for the infraction. He explained that he had mistakenly taken an improper medication while seeking treatment for a personal mental health issue, expressing regret for his decision and apologizing to his teammates, the organization, and the Philadelphia fan base. George's absence begins with the 76ers game against the New Orleans Pelicans and is scheduled to extend through March 25th, when Philadelphia hosts the Chicago Bulls. At that point, the 76ers will have just 10 regular season games remaining before the postseason. Impact on Philadelphia and the season. The suspension carries both competitive and financial consequences. George will be suspended without pay, costing him an estimated $11.7 million of his $51.7 million salary for this season. Some of the forfeited salary may also benefit the 76ers' position in the luxury tax calculations, slightly easing the team's financial load. On the court, the absence of the 9-time All-Star, who is averaging around 16 points, 5.1 rebounds, and 3.7 assists per game this season, leaves a notable gap in the 76ers' rotation. Currently positioned around the 6th seed in the Eastern Conference, Philadelphia will face a key stretch in the playoff hunt without one of its top contributors. A veteran presence lost. A veteran of 16 NBA seasons, George has been a foundational player for multiple franchises, including the Indiana Pacers, Oklahoma City Thunder, Los Angeles Clippers, and most recently the 76ers, whom he joined on a 4-year, $212 million contract in 2024. Throughout his career, he has earned 9 All-Star selections and established a reputation as one of the league's premier two-way wings. Looking ahead, as the Sixers press forward without George, teammates such as Joel Embiid and Maxey, along with emerging role players, are expected to shoulder increased responsibility on both ends of the floor. The team's ability to maintain its momentum and secure a favorable playoff position during the suspension will be crucial to its postseason prospects. AUL Georgia's suspension underscores the strict enforcement of the NBA's anti-drug policy and highlights the broader conversations around player health, wellness, and compliance within the league.